All right, if your storage keeps filling up and you're not sure why, yeah, it's time to monitor your drive activity properly. In this full guide, I'll show you how to track storage usage and activity in Google Drive, step by step. First, go to Google Drive and sign in to your account. Now, look at the bottom left corner to see how much storage you're using. Click on the Storage section to open Detailed Storage Management. You can sort files by storage size to quickly find large files taking up space. Remove old or unnecessary files to free up space. Now open the Activity panel to see recent uploads, edits, and file changes. Pay attention to shared files too, especially large videos or backups. Remember, your Google storage is shared across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. If you're constantly running out of space, you can upgrade your Google storage plan. And yeah, that's how you monitor Google Drive storage activity. Keep an eye on it regularly, and managing space becomes much easier.